Hello there, and welcome back to the Dreemo channel. Tonight, we turn our focus inward, moving past the mountains and the seas to explore the unseen, foundational world of energy, sound, and matter at its most intimate and fundamental level. Everything that appears solid, fixed, or still is, in fact, composed of particles in constant, rhythmic, quiet motion. This journey into the universe's microcosm reveals a deep, foundational stillness that exists even within constant, subtle activity. We are searching for the true definition of rest. If you enjoy these gentle, quiet journeys designed for deep rest, please remember to press the like button and gently click subscribe to join our calm community. Your support ensures that the calm continues to flow. Now, let the subtle, steady rhythm of the microscopic world guide you to your deepest rest. Fact 1. The sound of silence and the internal hum. True silence, the complete absence of noise pollution, is an almost impossible state to achieve in the physical world. Even in the quietest place on Earth, anechoic chambers specifically designed to absorb over 99.9% of all sound waves. The only sounds you eventually hear are those generated entirely within your own body. This low-frequency hum is composed of the rhythmic thump-thump of your heart, the gentle whoosh of blood flowing through your veins, and the tiny, electrical fizz of your nervous system in action. This quiet, persistent internal hum is the fundamental, inescapable sound of life itself, operating beneath the threshold of external noise. Fact 2. Atomic vibration, the illusion of stillness. Atoms, the basic, infinitesimal building blocks of all matter, are never truly still, even when they make up an unmoving, solid object like a stone or the floor beneath your feet. They are held in a fixed position within a structure, but they are in constant, rapid, quiet vibration or oscillation. The higher the temperature, the more rapidly they vibrate. What you perceive as stillness is actually an immense collection of tiny particles oscillating rapidly in a stable, structured rhythm. Their perceived stillness is merely an illusion created by the incredible speed and structure of their quiet movement. Fact 3. The slowest sound, cosmic patience. In the cold, vast emptiness of space, the movement of sparse gas molecules is so slow that sound waves, which require a medium to travel, would propagate at speeds vastly slower than they do on Earth. Scientists have recorded the lowest frequency sound waves ever, generated by a supermassive black hole deep in the Perseus galaxy cluster. These waves oscillate only once every 10 million years. Imagine the profound patience of a vibration that takes longer than the lifespan of many species on Earth to complete a single cycle. This is the ultimate, slow, quiet sound wave, vibrating on a geological and cosmic timescale. Fact 4. The quiet force of Earth's magnetism. The Earth's powerful magnetic field is an immense, invisible, and utterly silent force created deep beneath our feet by the slow, swirling movement of molten iron in the planet's outer core. This magnetic field quietly extends into space, creating the magnetosphere, which shields our planet from the continuous, harmful bombardment of high-energy solar radiation. This quiet, constant, protective energy field is the reason life can flourish, yet it operates entirely outside the range of human hearing or sight, a silent, perpetual guardian. Fact 5. Conduction, the unseen flow of heat. Heat energy is simply a manifestation of the kinetic energy transferred by the quiet collision of rapidly moving atoms. When you feel warmth from an object, you are experiencing the direct transfer of this kinetic energy from one set of vibrating particles to another set of slower-moving particles. This energy transfer, called conduction, happens through quiet, microscopic taps and nudges between neighboring atoms, demonstrating energy movement without any audible sound or visible light. Fact 6. Brownian motion, quiet chaos in stillness. Even when a liquid, like a glass of still water, appears perfectly quiescent and still, its internal molecules are continuously in motion. This phenomenon, known as Brownian motion, is the quiet, random staggering of tiny particles suspended in the liquid, caused by the constant, silent, and unequal bombardment from the liquid's own molecules. This ceaseless, quiet chaos at the microscopic level underpins the macro-level appearance of absolute tranquility and stillness. Fact 7. Crystal stability and the rhythm of time. Crystals, such as the quartz found in watches and computers, are not random formations. They exhibit an ordered arrangement of atoms known as a crystal lattice. This precise geometric perfection provides immense structural stability. The atoms hold their positions so rigidly that crystals are used in precision oscillators to regulate the precise rhythm of all digital clocks. They are the ultimate quiet timekeepers, translating their internal, perfect molecular order into the measurable, unhurried flow of time itself. Fact 8. Radioactivity, the slow decay of the clock. Radioactive elements decay by releasing particles and energy in a process that is entirely silent and imperceptible to human senses. This slow, patient decay is measured by the half-life, the time it takes for half of the material to change. These half-lives can span millions or even billions of years. This quiet, unhurried energy release is the most fundamental geological clock, providing the deep, continuous heat that silently drives Earth's plate tectonics and geothermal activity. Fact 9. The photon's patient struggle in the sun. A photon of light, the particle that carries solar energy, begins its life in the incredibly dense, chaotic core of the sun. Once created, it spends an astonishing amount of time, up to 100,000 years, slowly bouncing and scattering between atoms and electrons in the dense plasma before it finally escapes the sun's surface. This immense, slow, internal journey is a profound cosmic lesson in patience before light finally finds its quiet, straight path across the vacuum of space to reach our eyes. Fact 10. Damping, the physics of absorbing noise. Certain materials and structures are intentionally designed to absorb and dissipate sound or vibration, a process known as damping. Whether it is the porous acoustic foam in a recording studio or the specially designed suspension system of a building, these structures quietly convert mechanical energy, sound, or vibration into imperceptible heat through internal friction. They are built to embrace and create silence and stillness by absorbing disruptive energy. Fact 11. Quantum zero-point energy, fundamental vibration. According to quantum mechanics, even at the temperature of absolute zero, the coldest possible temperature, where all classical thermal motion ceases, particles still exhibit a minimum amount of movement and energy, known as quantum zero-point energy. This implies that total, absolute stillness is fundamentally impossible in the universe. The foundational energy of the cosmos is a subtle, constant, quiet vibration, always at work, even in what we perceive as perfect emptiness. Fact 12. The slowest chemical reactions on Earth. Many chemical reactions in nature occur so slowly that they take hundreds or even thousands of years to complete a transformation. The oxidation of certain minerals deep underground, or the chemical weathering and alteration of rock surfaces by acidic rain, is a quiet, continuous process. These immense reaction times demonstrate that profound and complete chemical transformation requires deep, unhurried geological time and stillness. Fact 13. Resonance, the quiet harmony of energy. When an object vibrates at its natural, most stable frequency, it enters a powerful state of resonance. While this concept is used in musical instruments to amplify sound, in physics, it demonstrates a natural, powerful state of energy harmony and efficiency. Two quiet structures can influence each other simply by matching their internal, steady rhythm, transferring energy without direct contact or visible effort. Fact 14. Dark matter, the silent cosmic web. The vast majority of the mass in the universe, around 85%, is composed of dark matter, an invisible substance that we cannot directly detect with light. We only know it exists by its quiet, pervasive, gravitational pull on visible matter. Dark matter forms a massive, silent, slow-moving cosmic web, which provides the essential structural stillness and framework that allows galaxies to form and hold their shape over billions of years. Fact 15. Cohesion, the quiet commitment of solids. Solids maintain their shape and integrity due to the quiet, strong cohesive forces, the forces of molecular attraction, that constantly operate between their constituent atoms and molecules. This invisible, persistent, electromagnetic pull is what gives all objects their stability, firmness, and strength. It is the molecular world's silent, continuous commitment to holding everything together. Fact 16. The silence of the electric field. Although we often associate electricity with noisy sparking or buzzing, the fundamental electric field is an entirely silent, invisible force. It is the influence that governs all chemical bonds and molecular structure, determining how atoms share or exchange electrons. This quiet force is constantly organizing the universe at the atomic level, creating the stable, quiet order we observe in chemistry and materials. Fact 17. Patient crystal growth from solutions. When perfect crystals form slowly from a saturated liquid solution, the process requires absolute patience and stillness. Atoms patiently and quietly migrate through the liquid to the surface of the growing crystal lattice, joining the structure one by one, often over weeks or months. Any disturbance can disrupt this quiet process, proving that the creation of perfect, geometrical form demands deep stillness. Fact 18. Sound damping in soft, natural materials. Soft, porous natural materials, such as thick layers of moss, dense foliage, or deep, freshly fallen snow, are exceptional sound absorbers. They scatter and dissipate incoming sound waves through their irregular, air-filled structures, converting the sound energy into minute heat. They create zones of intense quietness and muffling in the natural world, acting as nature's most effective, silent insulators. Fact 19. The slow drift of the magnetic pole. The Earth's magnetic North Pole is currently drifting slowly, moving dozens of kilometers further each year. This is a quiet, continuous, immense geological event that will eventually, over many thousands of years, lead to a full magnetic pole reversal. This entire immense process occurs without a single sound or visible sign from the surface, demonstrating planetary change on a massive, slow, and completely silent timescale. Fact 20. The unending quiet of energy conservation. The ultimate, most foundational law of physics is the law of conservation of energy, which states that energy can neither be created nor destroyed. It can only be transformed from one state to another, motion to heat, heat to light, etc. This means the total energy of the entire cosmos is perfectly constant and always cycling. This foundational, constant, quiet cycle is the ultimate source of physical stillness and eternal rest. Let this knowledge stabilize your mind and guide you to deep, undisturbed sleep.